Three, two,
one.
Outdoor Life with Frank. He's still on there. He's grabbed now. He's grabbed now. Yep. So I guess this means I won, birthday girl? This first one? He's a big boy. Sometimes your wishes don't always come true. Maybe later when you blow out your candle. Don't worry, you'll get one right now. See you, dude. This dude swam off in the wrong direction under the trees. He just got demolished. I'm gonna make sure I'm recording. Sure am. This dude is huge. Get out of there. Wow. He took off. Look at that. It seems like I've caught two like reddish ones like this, almost red all the way down, almost all the way down their body, and these seem to be like the strongest ones. Like the strongest. They put up the biggest fight. Yeah, red bottoms. Here we go, easy hook removal. Monster. I think he might be taken by something. Yeah, he sure is. He sure is. Oh, he's not. He was definitely being chased by something. Oh, he's grabbed now. He's grabbed now. Yep. 100% sure of it. Go ahead. Go ahead, buddy, swim. There we go. Yeah, keep looking for like hook marks. This one doesn't have any. This one doesn't have not one. Not one. This one's never been caught before. That's amazing. So we're catching all new fish. That's very nice to know that I'm not just here catching the same hungry fish. There's actually like multiple out there. Here he goes. Look at those stripes on him. It's the bandit. It's a beautiful fish. Oh my, that was a huge hit. He just got eaten by something huge. Fell in again. That would have been a part 2 to me falling in. Ah, that scared me. Yeah, this guy got inhaled by this fish. It's always pretty cool when you can see like the tail. You got one? We technically doubled up. There you go. That's a peacock for sure. Oh my, he's pretty. That's nice. We got a jumper. We got the double up.
I'll get yours.
Ah, he's strong. There we go. Getting a double up out here. Birthday girl, an outdoor life with Frank. Just slaying these peas out here. Yeah, they fight a lot harder than the other ones, right?
Yeah.
For some reason, I don't know what it is, but the ones with the red bottoms like that, they fight a lot harder. Let's get a double release on these. Right here is fine. There we go, almost dying again. Almost went in. Double release, watch your stuff, it's slippery. Here we go. Both of them right there. That's pretty cool. One swam away fast. Yeah, mine is still right there chilling. Oh, I think mine just got eaten. Yep, sure did. Whoa! That's a male right here. I think I saw his hump. That is a beast. Yeah, he's definitely a male. He's not my personal best, but he's big. This is a nice catch right here. Where that hook is. He inhaled it. Let's get this hook out as fast as possible. There we go. Is there one right by you or something? This fish is super strong. Ow! Ow! That really hurts, Charlie. Ow! There we go.